So today I got plans to go to Detroit, and my mom and dad, they don't know I have a motorcycle. I just bought it recently, and so I got plans to see him in Detroit. I haven't seen him in a good 6 months now. And I know my mom's really against motorcycles. So my mom pretty much told me I'm never allowed to get a bike. And I've always wanted a motorcycle, so I figured the only way I'm gonna get one is if I buy one and just show up, and you know, it's a good 3-hour drive to Detroit where they live. So I'm just gonna do that, you know, prove to my mom I can drive safely, and see how she reacts.
What the fuck? Whose motorcycle is that?
It's mine.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
How did you get a motorcycle? I don't want that.
You're awesome.
This is Murphy. He's gonna lick you. You are an asshole, and I hate you.
I joked earlier. I went, oh, so that's why I didn't answer his phone. He's on a Harley. She come flying out here.
What the hell, Jake?
And you got a camera. Awesome.
You already put 400 on it?
Yeah. $150.
When did you get a
Nice
motorcycle?
haircut.
You got your endorsement?
Middle of March. Next week.
Why are you wearing a sweatshirt, you idiot?
I got insurance for it, plates. Couldn't get plates without insurance.
No.
Is that why my insurance was $600?
No, I went through Progressive. It's only $25 a month.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Take off that sweatshirt, you stupid.
Yeah, it's hot, honey.
Well,
Sure
you need stuff. Yeah.
I cannot believe you got a fucking motorcycle.
Not much you can do about it now.
Is that why I
I
didn't
put
see any
the bin
pictures
in
of it on
online.
Facebook because you wanted to hide it from your mother?
Yeah,
You
until
are
I showed
such
up.
a dick.